In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF in Wondershare PDFelement. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. The first one is if you already have a document open and you would like to merge a different document onto it. So here I do have a PDF open. You want to go to the Tools menu over here on the left. And from here, as you can see, it's going to say combine over here. So that's what you want to click on. And then you can save this or not. I'm not going to do it. And as you can see, it's going to open up this kind of combine files where you can merge files. You can go ahead and just add a file in here, and you can select one of those that you have inside a PDF. I'm just going to use this one over here. I'm going to click open. It's going to get added. There we go. And then you can select the page ranges, whatever. Here you have some different settings like page sizes and bookmarks. And then you can just go ahead and click on apply here. And it's basically going to, of course, do that for you over here. Now I'm not logged in, so it's not going to allow me to do this, but that's basically how you achieve this, okay? And the other way is if you're in the home tab and don't have a document open, you can just click on combine files up top and do the exact same thing. So you'll just have to select two files here, press open, there we go, and then you'll be able to apply again, and then your PDF is going to be merged. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.